Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Crypto Chester. In today's video I do want to talk to you about quite a strange meme coin project that has sort of got my attention somehow. Okay, it's called Nobody Sausage. Okay, it's a very strange name, Nobody Sausage, and it's a $46 million market cap. In the last 24 hours it's actually done 12% in volume, pretty much sat in the top 10 meme coin volume over the last 24 hours, which is quite interesting to say the least. Okay, in terms of the gains, right? So that's why we're going to be looking at this today and just sort of exploring what this project is and where this thing could be going and how much money we could be making trading it. So anybody can be a nobody. Join the sausage revolution. Okay, you're going to have to do this video without laughing. The club. Feel like a nobody. Join a community of 30 million fans. Watch the teaser. I did actually click on this earlier, and it was a very, very strange, strange sausage dancing and twerking. But yeah, basically anybody can be a nobody, follow the movement, and by the looks of things, this thing is catching quite a bit of traction over on TikTok. Okay, 22 million followers on TikTok, and you can see their videos are getting a substantial amount of views. Clearly made with AI, but they are definitely getting traction here. Okay, which is a good sign for the asset, a good sign for the coin, and potentially could cause quite a big rally for this asset. But we have seen in the last 24 hours, it's rallied up quite a nice amount. Currently priced at 5 cents. Okay, in the last day, as I said, up 12%. In the last 7 days, down 11%. In the last month, down 41%. And in the last year, up 700%. I mean, it was only launched in May here, so it is still in this bullish sort of stance here. The chart doesn't actually look too bad, and we will go through this very, very shortly here. The chart doesn't look too bad. It's not really been listed on all major exchanges yet, but it has got some pretty strong partners in this space. Okay, I did scroll down, you can see our partners: Binance US, MoonPay, Jupiter, Moonshot, Moonnik, KuCoin, and Gate.io. And you can see they have actually been listed on a lot of these exchanges already. Okay, not the official Binance yet, just Binance US, so not the worldwide one, but still quite an interesting amount of interest. Okay, for a $50 million market cap coin. So I could potentially see this doing a 2 to 3x potentially if everything plays out here. Yes, it's an interesting asset to say the least. Let me know what you think of Nobody Sausage in the comment section, guys. I'm intrigued to know your opinions. Now let's go over to the chart and let's see how we can be trading this and where we can be making some money. Before we do that, guys, I do want to talk to you about a brand new meme coin that's actually raised $2.8 million in the space right now. And the reason why I'm covering this is because if a meme coin raises $2.8 million, we have to look into it. Okay, we have to, because these launch with $2.8 million in funding. They spend thousands of dollars on KOLs, thousands of dollars on centralized exchange listings. We're talking Binance listing, Coinbase listing, absolutely huge major marketing events which can send these coins up drastically, right? So when we do see a pre-sale like this, we tend to usually buy into the pre-sale using one of our Web3 wallets, using Ethereum, Solana, or any other sort of stable coin. And then by the time this thing launches, you're looking at a 10 to 100x on your investment here, because look at this project, guys. The effort that's gone into this in terms of a meme coin here is just absolutely ridiculous here. It is an interactive website as well, which is 10 times better than anything we've really seen recently. It is called Maxi Doge. It's a jacked up degen Doge trader that drinks Red Bull all day, takes a load of creatine and trades 1000x leverage here. So pretty cool partner affiliations as well here over on the website. The project overall looks pretty cool as well. Massive raise, huge community growing, guys. This is one to watch. Okay, 10 to 100x play in my opinion. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to go check that out yourself. Now back to the Nobody chart, because you can see that this is going to be the trend line that we're drawing. Okay, very simple. Very easy to navigate here. You can see the support on this trend line multiple times here, and you can see we actually lost that trend line. Okay, what does it tell us? It tells us that that has now flipped into resistance. So if we do see explosive growth, this will be the rejection point. Okay, we can short from here, easy money, not a problem. Okay, in order to get back there, we need to see Pretty significant growth, okay? I'm talking literally 152% for this asset to really start to rally up. But the positive from the all-time high that we are seeing right now is there is what is commonly known as a falling wedge chart pattern. Falling wedges, guys, they tend to usually break to the upside, okay? So what we could really be looking out for here is a measure move like so. This is going to be the next trade here for Nobody Sausage. And such a weird name. And this will be worth literally quite a pretty sum of just shy of 50%. Okay, so you put in 10 grand, you're walking away with 5 grand profit if you can get there. Okay, so really, really nice and clean. And overall, just in terms of market structure here and just this asset over the course of the last sort of, well, since May, it's progressively doing well, okay? It's taken dips naturally, but it's still hitting all-time highs continuously here. Not really breaking market structure higher lows here. The market structure higher low I would be concerned about would be here. So if we get below here, then there is a choice for concern because we probably will head down even lower here. But right now, at $50 million market cap, it's quite stable considering market conditions overall. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section, guys. Go check out Maxi Doge, link is in the description for this asset. Pretty cool. Massive raise. Do not ignore this asset. Obviously, do your own research, all that good stuff. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. That's going to be it from me. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next video.